In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive, the main ways the connection works, and which option you should use depending on whether you want embeds, imports, database links, or AI search. The easiest way to connect Google Drive to Notion is by embedding a Google Drive file directly into a Notion page. Notion's official integration page says you can paste any Google Drive link into Notion and choose Paste as Preview. You can also type /Google or /Drive in a page, then either paste a Google Drive link or browse your drive directly from inside Notion. The first time you do this, Notion will ask you to authorize the Google Drive integration. This method works well if you want to show a Google Doc, sheet, or slide inside a Notion page without moving the file out of Google Drive. Notion also says you can connect multiple Google accounts, which is useful if you work across personal and business drives. Now, if you want to bring a Google Doc into Notion as an actual Notion page, that's a different setup. Notion's import guide says you can paste a Google Doc link and choose Import from Google Drive, type /Google Docs on a page, or go to Settings Import Google Docs. Notion also notes that each Google Doc imports as its own Notion page, one document at a time. There's also a more structured option for databases. Notion's Help Center says you can add a Google Drive file connected property to a database by clicking the plus sign to add a property, choosing Google Drive file, and then authenticating your Google account. After that, you can attach Drive files directly inside database rows. Notion says this connected property is available on Plus, Business, and Enterprise plans. If your goal is to use Google Drive content with Notion AI, that's another separate feature. Notion's Google Drive AI Connector help page says this requires a business or enterprise Notion plan plus the right admin permissions. Setup starts in Settings Notion AI, then you add Google Drive and complete the connection through Google Marketplace. Notion says the connector can take up to 36 hours to finish syncing, so the smart way to choose is simple. Use embed or preview if you just want to display a file in a page. Use import if you want to convert a Google Doc into a real Notion page. Use a Google Drive file property if you want Drive files linked inside a database. And use the Google Drive AI connector if your workspace wants Notion AI to search and answer questions from Drive content. One more helpful tip. If you only need quick access to files, embedding is usually the fastest option. But if you need editable Notion native content, importing the document is the better choice. Notion documents these as separate workflows, so it helps to decide first whether you want a preview, a page import, a database attachment, or AI access. So to integrate Notion with Google Drive, the easiest starting point for most people is to paste a Google Drive link into Notion and authorize the connection, then choose Preview, Import, or a database property depending on how you want to use the file. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.